What's up, YouTube's ezflykha back with another video. If I look different or sound different, it's because I'm recording on my iPhone. Why am I recording on my phone, you ask? Well, my camera's broken. Yeah, take a look. My camera of 4 years is completely broken. It turns on, but you're not able to see anything on the screen. And then when you try to extend the lens, nothing happens here. It's all messed up. Look, now it's not even closing anymore. This thing is done. Literally, I've never had a problem with this. This is the Canon G7X, if anybody was wondering. This is a really good camera. I had it on the tripod a couple days ago. Wind blew, hit the ground, completely shattered. Completely shattered. One time, destroyed the whole damn camera. So, instead of sulking about it, I went online, started searching for different cameras to get, and I fell in love with this new camera. It's called the DJI Pocket 2. I ordered it, 2-day shipping, and it's here right now. This is going to be the unboxing. Let's go. Okay, so this is the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. I got this on Amazon for $4.99. The Creator Combo comes with a bunch of different attachments that makes this camera like super duper amazing. If you want to get the camera by itself, I believe it's $349. Okay, so it's a big difference. You may think, wait, $150? Why are these attachments worth so much? Seriously, I went and looked them up. Some of these attachments are $100 each, honestly. All right, so this is actually a pretty good deal. All right, so let's see what's inside the box. All right, so this is my empty desk. This is because I did the unboxing already, and my camera didn't do it the right way. This is why I don't like recording on an iPhone. So I'm going to do the unboxing my way. First thing you're going to get out the box is going to be this cord. It has 2 USB-Cs on it. I don't know what this is for, why you need 2 of them, but we have 2. Put that to the side. Next, you're going to get your wristband. Wrap it around your wrist, attach it to the camera. Pretty cool. You're going to get a bunch of little tiny items. This right here is a lightning adapter. It's going to allow you to attach your iPhone to the camera and use your iPhone as a second screen. This is the buttons that you're going to attach to the camera. This is your wind noise blocker that you attach to the microphone. This is just an extra attachment. There's a lot of different attachments that you're going to see here. It's your wide angle attachment. You attach it to the camera. This is your attachment for an Android phone. There's a little tripod that you're going to attach to the camera. It's pretty cool, actually. This is an extender. So you extend this to the camera, and it allows you to do a couple different features with it. I don't know everything about this, so I got to really learn about how to use this camera and what comes with it. So we'll find those things out in later videos. This is the wireless microphone that you get. And here we go, finally. This is a holder for the camera that you have. This holds the camera and it holds a bunch of those little attachments with it, which is really nice, actually. And this is the camera. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought it was, to be honest. I mean, I knew it was small. I just didn't know it was this small. Like, I can hold the whole thing in one hand. It's gone, disappeared. Here's a little comparison. So this is the micro USB that I bought with it. They say to get this one, the Extreme Pro. The reason is when you do like 4K and 60 frames per second, you want to get a memory card that allows you to, write the data onto the card as fast as possible. So this is like one of the best cards you can get for it. So if you're going to get this camera, get the Extreme Pro. Look, you can see the comparison. All right. And that is basically it. So I don't know how to use this camera at all. So I'm going to go and try to learn how to use it. I'm also going to be making a lot of different videos showcasing how the camera works, the quality, different quirks, things that I like and I don't like. So if you're interested in finding those things out, make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, and look out for the next couple videos. Thanks for watching, everyone.